What's going on, YouTube? Another taste test video over here. Pod test, pod review, whatever you want to call it. This time, I've been waiting for this for so long. Hello, Kara. Alright, hey, there's a little extra entry information right there. I'm a wet dog. Right here we've got my Aji Fantasy. This, well, I'll talk about it in a minute here. But yeah, outdoor plant, and it's been doing very nice after it was not doing very nice. But these are the pods, so I guess we'll just skip to when I tell you about the pods and look at them closer, which would be right now. So these right here, the really shiny reflection of the light shining off of them, are my Aji Fantasy. And I took these off of the plant that I normally never show in my update videos. It's in my double bucket, and it's up on the deck, and it's really sunburnt, and these pods were actually really sunburnt, but they're not anymore. They were real sunburnt at the very top there. And I was actually showing earlier, I was like, oh yeah, you want to see sunburn on a pepper? Look at this one. And I pulled out all three of them, and I'm like, where did the sunburn go? And it's gone. The plant is actually taken off too. I probably should have got a little video of that and put it in this video, but I didn't. But yeah, so Aji Fantasy. Yeah, like I said, one on the deck, not the one in the hydro. This thing was given organic soil and pretty much only had rainwater ever since it's been put in there. So that's all it's been given. So see what kind of flavor comes out of these guys. Comfy. Alrighty. We're back. And I still have the pods sticking up in the air. But yeah, so yeah, they were my outdoor plants. But they're all my outdoor plants, but not the greenhouse. So we're going to go ahead and cut a couple of these open. See how they look. See what kind of seeds that we've got going on. Wow. Very, one nice seed at least. Can't exactly see, probably, because my camera sucks, but got a bunch of very small seeds. Very juicy. I don't know, just doesn't smell fruity or anything. What do you think? I think she approves. Hey, whoa, don't be lunging. What about you? Oh, she's interested too. Alright, well, passes the dog test. Look out, Bubba. Smells very good. If you're gonna be in the video, get up here. Up here. Up. Alright. Don't be licking anything. Alright. Smells very... I don't know. It's kind of peppery, but it's not the, like, pepper kind of smell. It's that fruity pepper kind of smell. So, yay! Fruity peppers. I love fruity peppers. That's a very bad description. But, no, it just seems like it has, like, a fruit type, smell to it. Who knows? Maybe I'm absolutely wrong, but here's half of one. I don't know how to describe the smell. It's like very fresh, very, I don't want to call it earthy, but maybe that is the smell. But it smells like it is going to taste really good, and it's very shiny on the inside. I don't know if that's going to show up any, but don't know what that is all about. Hey, what are you doing up here? Don't make me delete this video. Alright, well, let's try this thing. Very sweet. Very sweet. I kind of expected a heat to it, but don't really taste the heat. Oh, you like my breath? She proves again. With the other pod, or the other half of the pod. She likes the smell. Let's see. See if we get a little different taste on the other half. A little more placenta on the other half. Couple of seeds. Dog is licking away over there. How about that? Of course she is. Hey. No dog hair. Oh wait, there's two. Aha. So sticky. It attracts. Whoa, excuse me. The dog hair. That was a seed that came out of my nose. Maybe it came out of my mouth. I don't know. Either way, the other half. No interest. Very. Okay, there we go. Little tiny bit. Heck, man. Spitting on myself. Maybe I should chew everything up first. And a little, like, real. And again, I should never be trusted on taste or on heat. That is, but. Just the undertones of some heat. I can feel it like on the back molars kind of thing. Nothing really beyond that. This dog trying to lick her rear. Trying to progress back there. Work your way back. Yeah. But not really anything intense or anything. But the fruitiness, the fruit-likeness of the pepper is really, really good. Go ahead and cut up another one. This is why I kicked the dog off of the couch. Why she's not allowed up here. What are you doing? White dog over here. Nothing. She's A-okay. But red dog, look. Well, I was going to, but, don't want to. What? That was probably the wrong spot. Probably do the very bottom. There we go. Another half of the pod. And the very tail end. Actually, that is the tail. Oop. Oh. You don't like it? Alright, throw it on the ground a bunch of times. I actually have the sniffles for some reason. Probably because I sneezed earlier. Well, she seems to like that. A little bit at least. Or at least for right now. Let's see what else we got. senna on it. What do you think? Did you eat it? Was it good? Okay, I think she approves. I like this pepper. This is a really good pepper. Come on. Alright, I think I got most of the seeds. I say that, and I'm looking at like 5 seeds right there. One. Haha. I feel left out. What do you think? Was that good? Is that yummy? I think they're really good. I got a runny nose. Yeah, was it yummy? Alright, we're going to cut open the last one. Just because what the heck. Might as well. Got them all. Alright, we're going to cut off the very bottom. And we're going to give it to the white dog. She's old. Okay. And that's it. Crunch, crunch, swallow. Alright. The white dog likes it too. Well, heck with it. Since it's already open. Well, that might have been in the top part. Well, I might have given you the hotter part. Ooh. But, yeah, another one. I mean, these suckers are really good. Oh, wow. That was just a tiny sliver of a pod. No placenta, no nothing. There wasn't anything on there. Man, like big flavor burst right in there. Very, very nice. Heck with it. Let's just keep on going. I'm just going to keep on eating peppers in front of you people. Seeds on the floor. They're on the floor. This has got to be, I don't know, after the sugar rush. Actually, I put this kind of in front of the sugar rush. This thing is really fruity. Maybe I'm growing it. Well, I always put that up as a doubt. Maybe anything that I'm growing really isn't that hot. Maybe it's supposed to be a ghost, you know, like a million Scoville. Maybe it's only 500,000. I don't know. But, you know, it's my first year growing, so I think I dropped another seed. I did. So I always leave that up for doubt, but for the most part, I don't know. I think I've been growing these guys pretty good. And same with the Sugar Rush. But these ones definitely have a better taste. I tried the Aji Fantasy that I grew in the hydroponics, and they were not as flavorful as these guys. And like I said, these are nothing but rainwater and organic soil. And that's all they've had the entire growing, and they've been really sunburnt. Well, the pods and the plant. The plant is like bleached out. Like some of the leaves are white. And some of the pods are just coming back, but now I'm eating them. So anyway, last pod, last half of the pod. This is 3 for this one, because they're that good. So if you can find seeds for that, if I give a seed giveaway in the future, which I hope I will, that's a fair amount of seeds right there. But but I also have a bunch of people to give those seeds to already. But hopefully I get more pods on the plant. That way I can go ahead and give them to everybody, because this would be a great pod for everybody to grow, especially if you don't like that much heat. When I'm crunching it up, one thing that aspect that reminds me is like of a bean, like a really fresh bean that you just picked off of your awesome plant growing, and you eat it right there in the garden. You know how that freshness is of that fresh green bean? That's what it reminds me of, just slightly. But definitely like a fruit-like aspect to it of, like a citrus fruit. Um, of course, a pepper is a fruit. I know, troll. Um, but yeah, that's a great pepper. Hopefully, I can get a whole ton of these seeds and give them away to everybody so they can experience these peppers. But yeah, um, apparently these peppers put your dogs to sleep. So feed them to your dogs and they will go to sleep and they won't bark all night long. No, I don't think that'll happen. But these dogs are pretty much going to sleep here. But it's kind of late. And this dog's old, aren't you, buddy? Alright, well, give me a thumbs up if you thought this pepper tasting was fun. Give me a thumbs up for dogs eating peppers. Hey, how many times do you see that? And you're probably not going to see that when I do hot peppers. Look, dog licking arse. Come on now, don't do that. Hey, we made it this whole video. Let's just give it 4 minutes, and then you can do it all you want. It'll be great. She's old. Gotta compromise. Anyway, that was my pepper review of the Aji Fantasy. One of my new favorite peppers. Aji Pineapple, Aji Fantasy, Sugar Rush. All of those are my favorite. I'm hoping the Lemon Drop will be my next favorite. We'll find out shortly. It's going to be a wow on that one because it's just now flowering. Yeah. But anyway, we're going to have hotter reviews coming. And Jeffrey, taking you up on your challenge. I will be doing your challenge the next time I do a super hot. And, what's it going to look like? It's going to be maybe the Brazilian brain strain or the ghost. Not exactly sure, but I believe the Scoville is about the same amount. So, either way, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the past pepper tasting videos, and you'll see our conversation about that and his suggestion, and I'm going to do it. So, that will be interesting. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can come back and check out whenever I do that. And what is it all about? We don't know until that time, unless you look at that comment. But anyway, I'm doing it, Jeffrey. So, it's on. Yes, exactly what you called me. That's what I'm going for. Or said that I could be, I guess I should say. But anyway, yeah, that was my pepper review of the Aji Fantasy. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Check out all of my different videos: aquaponics, hydroponics, aeroponics, all that kind of ponics going on, soil growing, all that fun stuff, peppers, super hots, all that fun stuff. I also have a seed giveaway going on right now. Don't forget to go back a bunch of videos, probably like 8 or 10 or 12 videos ago. I've got a seed giveaway going on right now. If you want to get in on it, all you have to do is leave a comment. It's just that simple. And I'm even offering international shipping for the first time, up to $10, but I mean, it's all in that video and everything, or in the description below in the video. So go check that video out, get in on it. It's not going to be there very long. We're going to close that up. I believe it's middle of August. It's closing up at the end of August, so not very much time left to go. Yeah, check out all my other videos. Got tons of stuff going on. And this was the pod review for this week. Oh, catch me on Twitter if you feel like it. That's A with a circle, REVTO. I got in that early that I got that name. No numbers involved. Yeah, that's all I got. So, bam, review of the Aji Fantasy. So, hopefully in the future I can give some of these seeds away. So, hey, there you go. Subscribe for future giveaways. I'm going to have another giveaway in September. So, you know, hey, just a heads up, we're going to be doing more. So, yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will catch y'all in the next video. Till then, see you. Or later. Dave says see ya. I say later. LOL. No, go on. Go on. Go on, Bubba. Good girly. Good girl. No, you go on too. No, I'm trying to do something over here. I'm not trying to play and have fun. No, get down. Get down, boo. Yeah, come on. I'm trying to do something over here. Go on. Go. Where's your bone? Where's your bone? Where's your bone? Oh, you're gonna find it too, aren't you? Where's your bone? Where's your bone? Where is that bone? I haven't seen that bone in a while. There's like 6 of them around here. Where's your bone? I bet they're under that couch. Alright, you need to go too. I have to do stuff. Come on, go. What are you doing? Come on, old girl. Got an agenda here. Oh, now the young one needs love too. What the heck? Come on. Alright, go on, go. Go. Come on, why do you have to like flock to me as soon as I start doing a video? Oh, photobomb. No, go on, boo. Go on, my friend. No, stop that. Alright. Now my hands smell like dog. Yeah, they smell like you. Fritos. Alright. Hey, let's get serious. Nah, we never do that around here. Alright. No, go on. Thank you for fanning me with your tail. Whew. What's going on, YouTube?